Welcome everyone to this daily roundup video and monthly update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed to not lose time and to actually save time, not lose time. So monthly on gold is gonna close in 30 minutes. I believe this is a very strong closure on a monthly time frame. We're closing not with the body, not above these bodies here, but we are closing above these bodies, indicating momentum to the upside. But obviously new monthly we can make a wick to the downside, retrace and then continue potentially. On a weekly time frame, previous week had this closure above here, but with very small wick. So this week, yesterday and today, we just retraced on gold. We are potentially either on a retracement region or on a wick fill on a weekly time frame. On a daily perspective, I can see that this day is now rejecting this zone that we were calling out yesterday. We didn't manage to even tap the support. We closed above and then we closed bearish, indicating resistance, and today we broke the lows of the bearish candle, indicating further continuation to a downside. So tomorrow, in my perspective, my eyes, I see a daily candle something like this that will tap onto this support, and that will indicate a monthly starting candle, maybe the wick, and then we can see what price is doing around this area. But now there are very high chances of closing the support. Obviously we can make a wick on a daily time frame, tapping this resistance and then continuing to the downside to test this major support that we have on a daily time frame. Also on the 4-hour we were on this range all day today, and then on the last 4-hour we just closed below here, and the next candle, as soon as we close below this resistance, next candle just continue to the downside. And yeah, I see now this after, if we're gonna close here, we can maybe wick here, retesting this previous support, now can potentially turn into resistance and then continue to the downside right over here, which will make our analysis align with our analysis on daily. On the 1-hour time frame, now price is just at the support. We have a mid-range support. As soon as we close below here, I believe we can easily tap this level and then even potentially push down to these levels. In any case, these supports holding, we can retrace. We have this clean traffic to the upside, which can easily, after a very nice strong support, we can easily retest this level. So we need to be very cautious when support is being formed. But in other cases, I'm looking for bearish momentum. On GJ, if we go on the monthly time frame, from today, GJ just retraced all the way from here to close this candle bullish. So it's very tricky because we have this resistance right over here, and I'm not sure how we're gonna manage on the next month, whether we're gonna tap this level or just test it again as a resistance and then continue to the downside. But this closure on a monthly bullish indicates very strong support around this area. On a weekly time frame, GJ is very messy because we have this resistance right over here which we tapped, and then we have this support right over here from this level. So we are just in this range, but moving above these highs, 1 2 3 4 5 6 weeks highs, breaking these highs, indicating a momentum that can easily push and test again this resistance. And let's see and then we can see how price is gonna act around that area. GJ is finally closing above this in this rejection area. We have this resistance right over here now that we're tapping, and in any case, daily closure above this can indicate that price can easily come up and tap these two resistance to the upside. We broke the highs yesterday. We closed a weak bullish, indicating support. We broke the lows, but we failed to break below this level that I was indicating that it's a must to close below this level, even though I was anticipating a continuation, seeing that this rejection here formed. But this level of wicks was very crucial, which GJ failed to close on the daily time frame, and that made this as a support, even though this is not very strong daily bullish closure. However, it indicates that it could not close below these wicks right over here, and then closed again small bullish, and that moved the price to the upside. We had on a 4-hour time frame, we had today yesterday we had this support confirmation to the upside, boom, and then rejection immediately, making this as a fake out, and then confirming again this level as support, and then price just forming support here. Later in the night, in the Tokyo session, Asian session, we moved up, and then on London Open, price just shoot up, break this resistance here that were very significant on our analysis. As soon as this was without a doubt retesting this level, and then price is just continuing, and now we are approaching this resistance. Tonight we need to check how this candle will close, but we have this all the way, this clean traffic, which in any case from a new monthly perspective indicate, knowing that monthly candle needs a wick, even though we're closing bullish, needs a wick to form first before continuing on a monthly time frame. We can anticipate that sooner or later this clean traffic will be retested, and we're gonna take in consideration that. In a 1-hour perspective, price was very clean today, closing above here, like in the London Open, right over here, pre-London, forming support, and then just continuing having this very strong move to the upside, and then pre-New York price retracing on New York after New York Open. Price just found support and then just retested this high, and overall this major resistance on daily time frames and weekly time frames. That's about it for today. Hope this video was helpful about how you could have managed to analyze what happened during the past 2 days, and I'm gonna see you guys on tomorrow daily update to give intraday updates, and then potentially we can take any trade. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.